What is up, everyone? So today I am going to talk about the Leer Rollitup soft tonneau cover. I just installed this on my 2022 Toyota Tacoma. It's got the long bed, but this should be accurate to the short bed as well. So I guess this model specifically is the 4R288, but I guess the other one for the short bed is the 4R286. Honestly, it should be the same. But so when I put it on, you know, they gave the directions, and there were some pictures, and obviously I figured it out, but it wasn't maybe as good as they could be. The pictures aren't so great. I was like, well, is there a video on here that maybe just shows someone else like talking about it? Like, no, I don't think so. So I'm just going to open her up and maybe just explain very quickly how it's supposed to look. All right, so in the box you will get two rails, a left and a right. The left one will look like this. You'll have the notch in the rear, and then you'll have a total of 6 brackets, and they're labeled R, M, F. So rear, middle, front. They are different in between them, and because they, depending on the position, if you can see there's a stack of washers. So possibly that's just there to kind of shim it up. And also, I don't know, I mean, my truck is a little bit newer, and so it has this track. I'm not sure if all do for the 3rd gen. But that said, this tonneau cover is compatible with the track. So basically what you do, you take everything apart, you set your brackets aside. You pop off this little cap, push, slide out. They give you some Allen keys. So you take off these little, whatever you want to call those. So 3 for each side. Slide them in, front, middle, rear. Then you slide, you also loosen this and slide these into the tabs, slide them forward. And then kind of once they're relatively spaced, you can begin to snug them down a little bit. Up on the front, there's also a 3rd bar, and this is how this goes. So basically, this little tab notches in, so this tab on the front piece notches into the side rails, and then you snug that screw down. Similarly, and actually probably before you begin doing that, you would put in the brackets here and here, and the connection point for this bracket, it's already installed in the box, and it's there's 2 of them, and there's somewhere in between. And honestly, they are similar left and right. But honestly, it's super easy if you just don't get too caught up in the paperwork itself. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Anyway, good luck.